Everyone at my engagement party thought I had hired a makeup artist. That is how good my makeup looked, and I didn't. I did it myself. I'm gonna show you the exact products I used and how I applied them to get this super flawless makeup that photographed incredibly. I started with a layer of the shimmery version of the Tallow Balm that I make. Give me a super beautiful glow and super hydrated skin. And then I went in with the best primer money can buy, the Hourglass Vanish. This primer will give you the best makeup day of your life. If you haven't tried it, you need to. I was not gonna play with unreliable foundations that day, so we used my tried and true Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. This foundation has been with me longer than any boyfriend I've ever had. It's the best, and it's acne safe. It's gonna seem out of order, but trust the process. I went in and sculpted my cheeks with the Patrick Ta Sculpted Cream. I did my cheekbones, my jawline, and the perimeter of my forehead, and the nose contour, of course. I also spot concealed with the Almay Clear Complexion Concealer. This is like the best concealer if you have acne. It has salicylic acid in it, and it's acne safe, and it's great. And I did something that I picked up watching Patrick Ta tutorials. I used his blush and She's Giving underneath the eyes before concealer. It's gonna look crazy, but you don't have to blend it out fully. Just get a little bit of a